soft, fall-apart salmon with a soy sauce and brown sugar glaze, all nestled on a bed of Asian-style noodles. The noodles are sweet, salty, and just a little bit spicy, and it all comes together to make the perfect flavour combination. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. I love getting fish into our family's diet, and the Asian flavours work so well with salmon. This is going to be fantastic. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by preheating the grill or the broiler to high. Place 4 tail-end salmon fillets, skin side up, on a grill tray lined with non-stick foil. Place under the grill for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, mix together a tablespoon each of olive oil, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce and sesame oil, plus a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt, a pinch of black pepper and 3 tablespoons of light brown sugar. Now turn the salmon over and drizzle the glaze over the salmon. Don't worry about the sauce pooling on the tray. Place under the grill and cook for a further 5 to 6 minutes, basting once or twice until golden and cooked through. Remove the tray from the grill and cover with foil to rest while you make the noodles. Now I'm using fresh noodles for this dish so it comes together really quickly, but you can use dried noodles and cook them first. I'll leave some information in the description below so you can see how to do this. Heat a tablespoon each of sesame oil and sunflower oil in a wok or a large frying pan over a high heat. Add a thinly sliced onion, bell pepper and carrot. Fry for 2 minutes, moving everything with a spatula regularly. Now add in 1/4 of a green cabbage that's been finely sliced, along with 2 sliced chillies and 3 cloves of minced garlic. Stir fry that for 1 minute. Add the noodles and toss everything together for 2 minutes. Now add in a tablespoon each of light soy sauce, dark soy sauce and chilli sauce, along with 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, the zest and juice of half a lime, and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Sprinkle over 4 chopped spring onions or scallions and toss everything together, heating for a further 2 to 3 minutes until hot throughout. Divide the noodles between 4 plates or bowls and top each with a piece of salmon. Serve topped with wedges of lime and a sprinkling of chopped spring onions and sesame seeds. This is going to be so tasty. The salmon and the noodles work so well with those Asian flavours. Can't wait to get stuck in. If you need any more ideas for quick midweek meals, then check out this playlist. And if you like this recipe, then check out my honey garlic butter baked salmon, ready in 15 minutes. See you next time.